Yes. Huh? What did he say? What did he say? He said there's a sign. This one. There's a sign somewhere there. Sorry.
Okay, so can you just tell us, we know we are here to exhume the body, what more details do you have for us?
I can say that on January 16th, 2025 was when this started, after a report was received at Ojo Division that this young man went missing. And after the new Commissioner of Police, CP Olorundare Jimoh, assumed office on February 18, 2025, he gave a marching order to the State Criminal Investigation Department to solve this case. And that saw the case being upgraded from the case of a missing person to the case of suspected murder. And that also saw us arresting the principal, or one of the principal suspects, who not only confessed to the killing of the young man, but has also led us here today to the grave where he was buried. So now that we've seen the body, and the body is going to be recovered in a couple of minutes, the case is gradually coming to an end. We'll intensify efforts to arrest the remaining wanted suspects, and we can assure Lagosians that justice will be served. We also want to use this opportunity to not only commiserate with the family of the deceased, but to also thank the Lagos State government for their immense support for this case and in every other area of crime fighting.
Stop.
My name is Comrade Ayomide Adebobola, popularly known as Jody, the Student Union President, Lagos State University.
Okay, what's your reaction now that finally it's not a case of missing persons? Now we know that, unfortunately, he's been killed. What's your reaction to what the police has done so far, and what are your demands?
Well, we appreciate the effort of the police in getting to the root of this matter, but the student community are sad and agitated, and what we are demanding is full justice for Olas. All the people involved in his killing must face justice. They must face the wrath of the law in full force, and no stone must be left unturned. We, the student community, we are standing with Olas. Olas is an easygoing individual. He has never been involved in any fight or anything that can He has never been involved in any issue. And what we are demanding, Olas has a shop on campus where he runs educational consults. So we know him very well. He has a source of income. We are demanding full justice for Olas. This matter must not be swept under the carpet. All the people that are involved in the killing of Olas must face the full wrath of the law. We will be doing constant follow-up on this issue, and we will not give up until justice is served.